You don't say a single word, still I hear you through the noise. There's a stillness when you're near, like the world has lost its voice. Every glance you let me catch feels like more than what it seems, like you're speaking in a way only quiet ever means. You don't need to say it loud, I can feel it in the crowd. There's a language in your eyes that I'm learning line by line. You never make a sound, still you turn my world around. Every little thing you do feels too quiet to be true. You don't have to say my name, I can feel it just the same. Every time you come around, you just bloom without a sound. You don't move to be seen, you just are, and that's enough. There's a softness in your way that makes everything feel close. Every moment that you stay feels like something I could keep. Even when you slip away, you're still echoing in me. You don't reach for anything, still you pull me gently in. And I don't know how it works, but it's deeper than a word. You never make a sound, still you turn my world around. Every little thing you do feels too quiet to be true. You don't have to say my name, I can feel it just the same. Every time you come around, you just bloom without a sound. If I close my eyes, you're there, like a breath inside the air. Nothing said and nothing forced, still it means a little more. I don't need to understand all the ways you take my hand in the silence in between. You're the loudest thing I feel. You never make a sound, still you turn my world around. Every little thing you do feels too quiet to be true. You don't have to say my name, I can feel it just the same. Every time you come around, you just bloom without a sound. No sound, still I